Nature's beauty lies in its diversity of landscapes and ecosystems. From majestic mountains to serene lakes, nature's allure captivates the soul. Sunsets cast a magical glow, leaving us in awe of nature's artistry. The gentle flow of rivers reflects the harmony that exists in nature. The sound of raindrops falling on leaves soothes the restless mind. The sound of crashing waves draws us closer to the rhythmic pulse of the earth. Nature's balance and cycles remind us of the importance of harmony in our lives. The gentle flow of rivers reflects the harmony that exists in nature. The vibrant colors of blooming flowers paint a mesmerizing tapestry. The rhythmic dance of leaves in the wind creates a symphony of tranquility. The crisp morning air whispers of the day's potential and freshness. Wildlife's grace and resilience inspire us to appreciate the circle of life. The delicate intricacies of a butterfly's wings showcase nature's perfection. Starlit skies ignite wonder and remind us of the vastness of the universe. Blossoming cherry trees symbolize renewal and the fleeting beauty of life. The scent of pine forests evokes nostalgia and a sense of grounding. The quiet embrace of a meadow invites us to pause and reflect on life's simplicity. The first snowfall transforms landscapes into a winter wonderland. Nature's resilience after a storm teaches us about strength and renewal. Nature's canvas is an ever-changing masterpiece, painted with hues of every color. The gentle rustle of leaves and the soft hum of insects create a symphony of serenity. The delicate petals of a flower unfurl like a work of art, each one unique and exquisite. Mountains stand tall as majestic guardians of the earth, inspiring awe and admiration. Crystal clear streams flow gracefully, reflecting the pure essence of nature's purity. The gentle caress of a breeze carries a sense of blooming flowers and earthy forests. Fireflies dance in the night like stars descended from the heavens, enchanting all who behold them. The call of birds, melodious and diverse, paints the air with the sounds of freedom. The mesmerizing patterns of snowflakes falling gently to the ground, each one a tiny miracle. Nature's beauty is a gift, a reminder of our interconnectedness and the importance of preserving its splendor for generations to come.